That's right. If you want to come look at this, basically,
What you can do.
that's what you can do with a handsaw.
Handsaw it. That doesn't look good. That's your new picture right there. That's your new fucking
Okay,
picture.
come help me. That was what I wanted to do. All right, guess what? Here we are. We're gonna ride these today. None of those, never those. Oh, look, someone killed one. And never those. That's my buddy. That's probably one of those is in one of those. I mean, it's a Lesbaru. But this guy's cool as fuck, dude. Look at this guy.
Stuff here, but what you can't do.
You can do everything.
Do anything.
But you have to kill the horses. The horses gotta die.
It should be fine. I wonder if
Let's see what happens. Let's go ride the dirt bike. It starts out nice and mellow, which I appreciate because I like to warm up before I get into anything particularly challenging. But you don't always get that holy shit stuff. Wow, that was tighter than I thought it was. Woo. I'm actually feeling a lot better today than last time we rode. Open my, oh God, talk too soon. My performance is better. Oh, I'm dragging foot. Jesus Christ. In a minute, start talking about trying to ride better. Holy pie coats. I messed it up. Okay. Whoa, there's some holes around here today. Thank you, whoever cut that one. As always, thank your local dirt bike clubs and people who clear the trails out early season so we can get up here and have some fun. Oh my God, they cut all the way up the road there. What are they doing? I think they're gonna get in here and try to clear some of the fire damage. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Just drove a bulldozer right up the hill. Interesting. Ugh. Ugh. Whoa, where'd the trail go? Oh. Oh. Oh my God. That tripped me out.
fire cuts. There's an explosion in here. This is the kind of stuff that I have to cut out. Thank you.
Alright, we're almost up to the ridge here. That was fun, man. There's some tree damage. I didn't know the fire crossed over the road here last year. I thought, holy shit, look at this wasteland. Wow. Wow, what's happening in here? Holy fuck. Oh my God. Talk about the clearing. Thank you guys. Who are you? I love you. Highly appreciated. Highly, highly appreciated. good. Take an ankle out. Have to be, ooh, now we're in the burn. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, it might be messy in here today. Yep, some burnt ones. Crispy fried in here. Wow, this burn has washed the trail quite a bit. Huh. It's like a whole different trail. It's kind of crazy. You think I ever got to see it this exposed? Wow. I'm gonna sit down, chill her out for a minute. Man, it's like a whole different trail out here with all the exposure. Before you had all these trees around you, so I think you didn't really notice what a skinny kind of side hill you're riding on, but this burn changed this trail. I mean, I kind of like it because it's a little more pucker. I used to think this part was just, you know, straight up chill, but here we are. And we are about to get right on to the goodness. Here it is. Woo. Man, how about that burn?
It's pretty brilliant.
That's a whole different trail now.
It's all wide and open now. I was saying that while we were riding, I'm like, it's none of the foliage is there, so
yeah,
you can kind of get through it quicker.
You had no, like, I just don't, like, I felt a little more intimidated just because it, suddenly you could see there was that hillside, like, that was thick trees. You never had that much exposure, so that's kind of fucking cool. I love that little jump. Get it every time. Okay, now it's gonna get fucked. Fire really did a number over here. I thought when it happened it was across the street. So this is the decision point, and we've decided to go right. Whoa. I'm in the wrong gear. There we go, now we can start it. Oh God. Whoa, that little hectic route. Okay. So we've decided to go this way today. Oh, trail's this way. Almost forgot. Okay. Yeah, because that part goes nowhere, which I think Hale, oh no, he went the right way. Okay. This has a really cool part up here. I remember the first time I did it, I was just like, oh my God, so cool. Ooh, look, that became a little rocky step up, and the washout actually is a little better. I find that interesting. That used to just drop out. Ooh, hello, big rocks. Oh God! That was big rocks in a place where I didn't want big rocks. Oh, this up right here is so fun. I love this part. It's hard to pick which trail to go because each one's kind of fun in reverse the direction that we're going today. But we chose the other way out, which is kind of cool. This side hill's pretty fun. It's a little sketchy down there. A little. I don't want to look down there, I want to look ahead. Ooh. Yeah. Woo. This part's fun up too. Oh yeah.
We got a problem. Huh. That doesn't look good.
Uh-oh. It seems we might have a predicament.
We got a problem. That's a pretty big tree. We're gonna have to address this. Well, it's a big fall.
Okay. Oh God. My rocks are not. Oh, you're stuck on my fucking rock.
Which rock are we on there? Can you pull back this way? Just lay it over this side. Alright. Can you roll the front tire?
No, it's not on the ground.
Okay.
Oh God. It's so stuck right now.
What's it on? Oh, I see what's on.
It's stuck on the log.
It's on the peg. It's on the peg. We gotta run it. We gotta run it this way. Alright, there you go. Now to roll. It's good job.
Whew. Okay, so move that rock over a little bit. Well, first major obstacle of the day. That was interesting. Really hope that this one fell recently and we're done. We don't have chainsaws with us. I'm back at it. Minor altercation. Oh shit. Bro. Oh fuck. I mean, this isn't a good sign. None of this is cleared. Or just go over where those people went over.
Yeah, I was looking at that just going, okay, but how many?
I know. How many more are there? I mean, if we move this log out of the way, it'd be easier.
We might be able to move the second one.
Alright, well, I thought I'd read that Tronson Bridge was clear somewhere, but maybe I was wrong. There we go. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Okay. Let's hope the worst part up here is clear.
This should be interesting.
I love this part of the trail. Hoping we're clear.
We are fucked. Let's see what this is. This looks interesting.
Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck. Think we can squeeze under?
Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit.
Okay.
This might require a little bit of work.
Well, all right.
Here we are again. We're at another one. This is like number, I don't know.
It's 4.
Number 4?
Yeah, that's 4.
We'll figure it out. We got this one. It's called No Saw Law. No Saw Law. The part is that every time we do this adventure, it's pretty like, you know, easy.
Yeah.
But it's kind of uneventful.
Yeah.
Different challenges in new places.
Different challenges, same places.
New places now, because now we got a tree here.
Right. How low can you go? Do the limbo. That cut dirt bike limbo. Oh boy. That's tight. That's tight.
Ha-ha! I made it!
Nice work, we did it. We made it this far. Ah!
Hey! That worked out good.
What's that?
That worked out really nice.
Yeah, good job, boss.
That was good stuff. Worked out really nice.
Yeah, good job, us. Oh my god, dude. This day might be ridiculous. We might just be not going very far. Ah, fuck. Jesus Christ, dude. Right on the corner. That one I think we can cut out though. You thought you were going dirt biking today, didn't you?
Yeah, we're going forestry.
We're doing forestry. I was like, I hope there's not one right on the fucking switchback.
Oh, there is.
Oh shit, look at that one. Oh boy. I don't know about that one up there, man. Guess we'll find out.
That's there.
Right here. And then we saw this one like up here.
Yep.
Okay. Handsaw on our way through here. It's gonna take a year. Yeah, buddy. We were just joking how we would make it another, I don't know, 5 minutes. We made another 5 feet. All right, another one. All right, another tree down. Keep going. Woo! Pretty tired. We're only riding about, I don't know, 4 miles of trail so far. Woo! Why don't you have a chainsaw, buddy?
I do.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Look at the front of my thing.
Oh yeah, there's a chainsaw right here. Look, oh, I forgot you did bring your chainsaw. It's right here on your fender. Right? Right there. Right on his fender. There's a chainsaw, folks. We're done. I think this is tree number 6. Tree number 6. We were able to ride over 3 of them, crawl under 1, cut out 2 more. And for some reason, we're going to try to do this really big one, which is probably a really dumb idea because we're killing each other, but we're doing it.
you can do.
That's what you can do with a handsaw.
Handsaw it.
Yeah. Don't ever say we don't try to do trail clearing. We're just dumb and try to do it the hardest way. So you can make fun of us. That's fine. But we're trying. We came out here and
we did it.
We knew there might be some trouble. We underestimated the trouble, but at least we made a doorway. I'm sorry to leave this like this, but we can't do any more between the two of us. If we had 5 people, like we were supposed to drive 3 other dudes, we probably could have all pushed that down the hill, but yeah.
Tell you what, trail maintenance done.
Yeah, trail maintenance done. If there's one more tree, we're turning around. But yeah, this was tree what?
Wait, this is tree 8.
Tree 8.
Tree 8 silky
Another win with the silky saw.
big boy.
Big boy. Tell you what, I mean, if you're not gonna ride with a chainsaw early season, ride one of these, baby. Hopefully, big boy, you want to sponsor me? We can see the amount of trail work we've done today. Yeah. Okay. Bring a chainsaw, dumbass. I think this is the point where we turn around, right?
We did this.
We got as far as we could get. I don't know how. Let's see how many miles we got.
Oh, I'll tell you right now.
How many miles did we do? Subtract 5.
12.9 altogether.
12.9. Okay. I mean,
7 miles.
7 miles in.
Well, turn around. We got 14 miles.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's a full day.
Yeah, dude.
Full day for old man.
Okay, well, let's start heading back. Okay, well, we got turned around. There's just too many trees. We can't go any further, so now I get to climb up this part, which is pretty fun, but I'm fucking cooked. It's gonna be hard. Keep myself together. But hit it with speed. Here we go. Come on, baby, let's go! Woo! Woo! Animal! Jesus, my jello saw! Wow! That's pretty fun. I like that part, actually. Oh, we came that way.
We did the handsaw.
Did you?
Yep. It's impassable up there.
Oh, really?
Yep. It's just like one right after another, without another, after another. So if you don't have a chainsaw.
Yeah, I was gonna hike out, grab a chainsaw, and try to cut my way back. Because there's one.
The one with the bridge over it.
Yeah, we did that
I
one.
got over it. I don't know how you're getting back the other way.
I know. We're gonna have to build a fucking ladder or something. I don't know. All right. That wasn't too bad. Woo. Yeah, it looks sketchy as fuck. Let's do it. Holy shit. Want to head downhill? Oh god. Shit. That's one way to do it. Made a friend. He was hiking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened there?
Got a little soft.
Tired.
It just fucking flew off.
Tired, man. Well, didn't really expect to do survival ride today because this trail is not what I would call the most difficult. It's got some difficult to it, but fuck. Trees, a lot of exhaustion right now. You know.
nice.
This one's gonna be fun. You seem to got it pretty good.
That's why I left that hook there.
We're over.
Got it?
Hold on.
Still here. One bike.
Holy shit.
Got it?
Holy shit. What's you doing?
All right, the worst is over. This little crazy side hill single track, and we're out of here. Back down down to the car.
Whoa! Twice today.
Yeah, I love that. That's so fun. I mean, it's not all bad. We're just about to do this trip both ways because this is the funnest part of it. Thanks for coming along. You know, watching us be dumb. That's what we do sometimes. Oh, dude, that's so fun. I love that.
I fell.
I saw that.
The worst spot.
I saw that. Dude, my fucking pulled muscles so bad I can't step. So I'm trying to do that. And everything's on the right hand side, right? So I'm like, whoo.
I was going too fast or something.
Yeah, dude, don't go too fast.
I know, I hit the sash to the side of my fucking front tires.
What did we do today?
Well, you know, we were going to go riding.
Like dirt biking.
We went log cutting.
We went logging.
We went like a lot of logging going on.